I'm sure that, like me, you have been watching the horrific pictures and footage coming out of the devastation being caused by the floods here. This is the worst disaster that Pakistan has ever experienced. Over 33 million people have been displaced. Over 1,500 people, including women and children, have died, and millions are without shelter, and this is only going to get worse. Penny Appeal are now on the ground in 13 most affected areas, providing food, drinking water, and urgent aid to thousands, but this is only scratching the surface. Much more is needed and will be needed for a very long time. If ever there was a time to pull together, it is now. Let's dig deep and do whatever we can to help the victims, not just today, but for as long as it takes to rebuild the countless lives that have been shattered. Donate to Penny Appeal's Emergency Flood Appeal now and give whatever you can. Every little donation counts. Our country needs your help like never before.